Welcome back to the class. We were discussing grammar topic, transformation of sentences, and in under this topic we were discussing interchange of degree of comparison. We have already done the definition of adjective with examples. Then we have seen different types of adjectives, different types of degrees of adjectives. We have also discussed simple degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree with examples. In this lecture, we shall be transforming the sentences from one degree to another. Children, as I have already told you, uh, that there is a comparison between two things in comparative degree. There is a comparison between one and all the other things in superlative degree, and there is no comparison. We are just describing something in uh, simple degree, but whenever we are transforming the sentences, even when we describe the simple degree, then also we'll do some comparison. But look at the title of this topic, degree of comparison. We'll see how much comparison is there. There can be a zero comparison also. Zero comparison between two things, then the degree will be 0 degree, right? No comparison. Then when we compare the degree, when we compare one thing to another, then it will be second degree. When we compare one thing with all, that will be third degree. Now let's start. First we'll discuss simple to comparative, simple to superlative, then comparative to simple, comparative to superlative, then superlative to simple, and superlative to comparative. Let's discuss these examples. You have to focus on the adjective. Children, when this question is there, na, transform the sentence or transform the degree. Transform the degree of simple, transform the degree of comparative, or transform the degree of superlative. You have to keep one thing in mind. What is the examiner asking you, right? Uh, Look at this example. This knife is not as sharp as that one. Here the comparison is there, but equal comparison is there. Nobody is better or nobody is lesser than anybody. We are comparing two things here. One is knife, this knife, and that one. But who is sharper? Which knife is sharper? No knife is sharper. They are equal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
These two knives are equally sharp. We are not using second degree. We are using first degree. That is sharp. This knife is not as sharp as that one. It means, what is the meaning? That both the knives are equally sharp. So there is no comparison, you can say, or you can say both are equal. If there is equality, then we will use first degree. If there is some comparison, something is better or something is not good, then we'll do comparative. If the comparison is between one and many, then we'll use superlative degree. Is the first sentence clear to you?
Yes,
This
sir.
knife is not as sharp as that
Yes,
one. Now both the knives are equally sharp. That's why we have used the word sharp. What is sharp? Sharp is first degree. So this is a positive sentence. From positive, we are moving towards comparative. Let's com- let's transform this sentence from simple degree to comparative degree. Now, this knife is not as sharp as that one. What will be the comparison? That knife is sharper than this one. Now, here we are comparing two knives. That knife, this one. You can also write like this. This knife is sharper than that one. Both the things are correct. Both the examples are correct. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? We are comparing two knives. We are comparing two knives and we are not showing equality. In the first sentence, they are equally sharp. In the second sentence, we are not showing equality. We are showing a difference. We are comparing something, that one knife is sharper and the other knife is not as sharp as the other one. So that knife is knife is sharper than this one. This is second degree. I hope this topic, this question is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The first sentence, equality is there.
Yes,
In the
sir.
second sentence, comparison is there. Now look at the second sentence. Few students are as regular as you. So few students, we are comparing few students with you. But what is there? There is equality. They both are regular. Few students are also regular. You are also regular. Okay. So that's why we are using the word regular. Regular is first degree. Positive degree, we are showing the equality. Now we are moving from positive to comparative. You are more regular than many students. Now here I am comparing you with many students. It means you is better than many students. You are better than many students. That knife is sharper than this one. You can also write like this. Few students are more regular than you. Few students are more regular than you. Whatever type of comparison you want to do, you can do. Now look at this sentence. What is more regular? What is more regular?
Second degree.
Second degree, sir.
Second degree, comparative degree. So children, with this we have discussed the first type of situation. What is the first type of sentence? Changing, transforming from simple to comparative degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Children, why we are using two identities, so that we can come to know how to compare the thing. In the exams, the question can be like this also. This is a sharp knife. This is a sharp knife. Here, what is happening? We are not comparing the knife with anybody, with any other knife. This sharp is as knife as that one. Here also equality is there. No comparison is there because both the knives are equally sharp. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in the first sentence, two knives are given to you. Suppose this is not given, other knife is not given, then what will you do? You will add something on your own. But rarely this thing happens. Usually the examiner provides you the other identity also, so that you can compare the two things easily, or you can compare one thing with many things easily. This knife is not as sharp as that one. This is comparative degree now. That knife is sharper than this one. If you want to change it to superlative degree, you can change it. You can do it like this. This knife is the sharpest than all the other knives. Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
This knife is sharper than that one. This is comparative degree. This knife is the sharpest of all the knives. Here I am comparing this knife with all the other knives. So this is superlative degree. Of course, I will write the examples. Don't worry. I am just changing these. Few students are as regular as you. No comparison, equal status is there. You are more intelligent than many students. Here we are using the comparative degree. Suppose you want to use the superlative degree. How will you use it? You are the most regular student in the class. You are the most regular student of the class. What are we doing here? Instead of comparing one child with many, we are comparing one child with all the other children of the class. Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Children, in these two sentences, I have written simple to comparative, but orally I have told you how to change these two sentences into superlative also. Of course, we will write the examples. With this, we finish the first type of situation, how to change simple to comparative degree. Now we'll write two examples where we change simple degree to superlative degree. Let's start. This is a new topic to you. For you people, it's a new topic, but with practice, you will be able to become expert. Let's write the third example now. The third example is already written. I am also lost somewhere. Let's see the third example. I don't know where is my pointer. I need it direly. Okay, anyway, Shweta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Let's see the third example. No other city in the world is as big as London. Here I am talking about city, and I am comparing this city with London. But equal comparison is equality is there. Nobody is there who is as big as London. We are using the first degree. Big is the first degree from positive to superlative degree. No other city is as big as London. It means which is the biggest city in the world?
London.
London is the biggest city in the world. So this is now I am comparing London. London is the biggest city in the world. Now city in the world. I am comparing one city with all the other cities of the world, and I am treating it as the biggest. So here the biggest. What is the biggest? What is biggest? Third degree.
Third degree.
Third degree. If you children, if you want to change the same sentence to comparative degree, you can change it. How can you change it? London is bigger than any other city
Okay, sir. London.
of the world. London is bigger than any other city of the world. Now look at this example. London is bigger. Bigger is
Second
comparative
degree.
degree. London is bigger than any other city of the world. Now any other city. I am not talking about all the cities. I am comparing one city with the other. I am comparing London with any other one city of the world. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Comparative degree, I am comparing one city with any other city of the world, but in superlative degree, I am comparing one degree with all the other cities of the world.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first example of second situation. What is the second situation? How to change simple to superlative degree. This is the first example. Look at the next example. No other metal is as useful as iron. Now I am comparing other metals with iron, but I am using the first degree. Oh, equality is there. Useful. Useful is first degree. It means if no other metal is as useful as iron, it means iron is the most useful of all metals. Look here, children, iron. I am comparing iron with all metals. Comparing iron with all metals, and iron is the most useful metal. You can also change it into comparative degree. No other metal is more useful than iron. No other metal is more useful than iron. Look at this sentence carefully. Here I am comparing iron with any other one metal. No other metal means any one metal. I am talking about any other one metal, and I am comparing it with iron. So that's why we are using comparative degree. Here we are using superlative degree because we are comparing with iron with all the other metals. With this, we finish the second type of situation. I hope both the situations are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Just keep one thing in mind. What type of adjective is used? Whether simple degree is used or comparative degree or superlative degree is used, you have to just adjust accordingly. Now let's do some examples of comparative degree. Let's change comparative degree to simple and comparative to superlative degree. Shweta, how much time is left?
Sir, 20 minutes.
We have to write 8 more examples. I think we'll be able to do it. Fifth example. Rabindranath Tagore is greater than other Indian writers. What is this word great? This is second degree.
Second degree.
Okay. So this is comparative degree. Let's change the comparative degree to simple degree. Can you change it?
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore is the one of the great writer.
One of the
Great writer.
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore is a great writer. Great.
but compare it with other Indian writers also. You can change it like this. No other
Right.
Indian writer is as great as
Rabindranath.
Rabindranath Tagore. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is first degree. So this is first degree. Look at the first example. Rabindranath Tagore. This is writer. We are comparing one writer with other Indian writers. Other Indian writers. Then we are comparing one writer with Rabindranath Tagore or some writers with Rabindranath Tagore, but we are not using comparative or superlative degree. We are using first degree only, right? We are treating it as equal only. Let's do the sixth example. Sixth example. Some other boys in the class
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਪਰ ਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਫੋਨ ਹੀ ਚਾਰਜ
taller than
ਕੋਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੁੰਬੜਨਾ ਬਈ ਹੁਣ
ਤੇ ਕੀ ਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿੰਨੀ
are
ਹਾਲਤ
taller
ਕਰਦਾ
than Rajan. Some other boys in the class are taller than Rajan. Children, what is this? This is second degree. Taller. So comparative degree is given to us. We have changed it to simple degree. Can you change it?
Sir, no other boy is tall as like Rajan.
Sir, here
Very
Rajan.
good.
Some other.
Good.
Sir,
Good answer. Anushakya, your answer is correct. Is the
sir,
answer clear? Shweta, what are you saying?
sir, I'm asking, but in this example, Rajan is not taller than other boys. So here some other boys are taller than
Some
Rajan.
other boys in the class are.
Taller than Rajan.
What are you saying? I don't understand.
Sir, I'm asking that in the example that Anushakya gave, Rajan is taller than any other boy in the class. But the example that you gave here, some other boy is taller than Rajan. Rajan is not taller than any other boy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I got your point. I got your point. Some other boys, right? We are comparing some other boys with Rajan. Okay, Rajan. So you can write like this. No other boy in the class is as tall as Rajan. Now it's okay. Equality is there. No other boy and Rajan. So they are equally tall. This is first degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
No other boy in the class is as tall as Rajan. Right? Just children focus on the degree, what type of degree we are using. So with this we finish the third type of situation, that is changing from comparative to simple. Now we'll change comparative degree to simple degree. Let's change these examples also. Rabindranath Tagore is greater than any other Indian writer. Rabindranath Tagore is the greatest of all Indian writers. Here we are comparing Rabindranath Tagore with all Indian writers. Rajan is the tallest of all the boys in the class. The tallest will be the third degree. I hope you are able to change it now. It needs
Yes,
a lot of practice. With
Yes.
practice, you will find this topic very interesting. Shweta, how much time is left?
Sir, 14 minutes.
Yeah, I should hurry up to finish this topic because I don't want to drag this topic to the next. Now, comparative to simple. His brother is not stronger than Ramesh. This is second degree. Stronger is second degree. Stronger is second degree. His brother, we are comparing his brother with Ramesh. So this is comparative degree. Let's change it to superlative. Can you change it to superlative?
Yes, sir.
Ramesh, his brother is not
Ramesh is
stronger than
strongest
Ramesh.
than his
Ramesh.
brother.
Ramesh is
Ramesh is
Strongest
strongest.
than his brother.
the
Ramesh is
strongest
the strongest.
among his brothers.
Yes, sir.
Now, children, here only one word is there. Na? His brother, we have
Yes,
to
sir.
compare him with many. This is third degree. So Ramesh is compared to brothers,
His brother.
all his brothers. So the strongest is third degree.
Third degree.
Let's write one more example. Let me see some interesting examples. Barack Obama is greater is wiser than any other president of USA. Than any other president of USA. What is here? What is done here? Second degree.
Second degree.
We are comparing Barack Obama with any
President.
other president of USA. So he is wiser. Second one. We are comparing comparative to superlative. What will be the answer? Barack Obama
the wisest president
Is the wisest
than any
president
other president of USA.
any other president of US?
wisest is the wisest of
President
all other
President of US.
presidents of
USA.
USA. This is third degree. Here we are comparing Barack Obama with all other presidents of USA, and he is the best. Third degree.
So 10 minutes
Yes.
are left.
Okay, good. We'll finish it. Let me be quick. I hope this thing is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are
Yes, sir.
writing 4 more examples and see how to change superlative to simple, superlative to. This thing is taking a lot of time, rubbing the board. Ninth sentence. The birthday party. The birthday party is the name of the play, name of the drama. The birthday party, this is the name of a drama, is the best play of Pinter. Pinter is the name of a person, name of a writer. So this is third degree. Third degree, the best. Okay, superlative degree. We are changing superlative to simple degree. Children, here we are comparing the birthday party with other plays of Pinter. With other plays of Pinter. This is superlative degree. Can you change it to? Can you change it to simple degree?
Yes, sir. No
Very
other
simple
play,
answer.
no other
Very
play
good, Shweta.
is as
No
good
other
as
play.
the birthday party.
Very good. No other play of Pinter is not getting rubbed so easily. Next answer. Kolkata is the most polluted. Is the most polluted of all other. Most polluted of all towns of India. This is third degree. All towns of India. Children, see the most polluted is third degree.
Degree.
Most polluted is third degree. We are comparing Kolkata with all towns of India. So this is third degree. Superlative degree. Let's compare it to simple degree. Khushpreet, can you change it to simple degree? Very simple. It will be changed like the previous one only. No other town of
Town.
India
Yes.
is
Is
as
Sir,
Khushpreet
Khushpreet is not in the
polluted
meeting.
as Kolkata.
Kolkata.
I am here, sir.
Okay, this is first degree. So we are comparing no other town of India with Kolkata. And we are using the first degree. With this, we finish the fifth type of situation, that is superlative to simple. Now we are doing superlative to comparative. Shweta, how much time is left?
Sir, 3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Please stop the watch so that I can write the examples and explain you. Ajit is the fittest boy in the class. So this is third degree. Fittest is third degree. We are comparing Ajit with all the boys of the class. So superlative degree, this is superlative. Let's change it to comparative. Who will change it?
Sir, no any another boy is as fit as Ajit.
Wrong answer.
Sir, no one in the
No any
class
another
as
boy in
fit
the
as
No one
Ajit.
as fitter like as Ajit.
No. You can write Ajit is fitter
Then any
Then-
other boy.
than any other
Than any another boy in the class.
boy in the class. Children, you are changing superlative degree to simple only. The question is change superlative to simple. Superlative to comparative. So we are comparing Ajit with any other boy in the class. And we are using the word fitter. That is second degree. Last example. Bangalore is one of the most beautiful cities of India. This is third degree. We are comparing Bangalore with other cities of the country,
Yes, sir.
other cities of India. What will be the answer?
Bangalore is
Sir,
more
Bangalore
beautiful
is the
than any
more
other
beautiful
cities of
city.
India.
Of India.
So this is superlative degree. What are you saying, Anushakya? What is your answer?
Sir, Bangalore
Bangalore
is the
is-
more beautiful
Bangalore is more beautiful
city
than any other city of India.
India.
This is second degree. So here we are comparing Bangalore with any other city of India. One city. And more beautiful is second degree.
Second degree.
Second
Shweta,
degree.
how much time is left?
Less than 1 minute.
But don't worry, we are finished with the topic. So children,
Congratulations,
with this we finish with the topic. We have discussed all the possibilities, all the 6 situations with the example. I hope the topic is clear to everyone.
Yes,
This is the
sir.
kind of the topic. Thank you very much for your patient listening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.